Hey everyone, Extreme here, with today's interesting news. As we all know, this weekend, everything started with one tweet saying that Bitcoin is using too much energy and is bad for the environment. What did this do? It caused a massive sell-off and Bitcoin dropping as well as the crypto markets. But look at this interesting article. Banking system consumes 2 times more energy than Bitcoin. Research. Now, if the banking system is consuming 2 times more, is Elon Musk going to take his money out of the banks and bring it to crypto? He's leaving Bitcoin because it consumes too much energy and is bad for the environment. But this article says the banking system is doing double which Bitcoin is doing. So where is Elon Musk going with his fiat currency? According to Galaxy's estimates, the annual energy usage of Bitcoin stands at 114 terawatts, while the banking industry consumes over 260 terawatts each year. Now that makes a difference. And that's a great argument. So which side is he going to? Amid the ongoing concerns over Bitcoin's energy consumption, a new study states that the traditional banking system consumes much more energy than the Bitcoin network. Cryptocurrency firm Galaxy Digital released a report Friday titled on Bitcoin's energy consumption, a quantitative approach to a subjective question, providing open source access to its methodology and calculations. Compiled by Galaxy's mining arm, the study estimates Bitcoin's annual electricity consumption stands at 113.89 terawatts per hour, including energy from miner demand, miner power consumption, pool power consumption, and node power consumption. This amount is at least 2 times lower than the total energy consumed by the banking system, as well as the gold industry on an annual basis, according to Galaxy's estimations. Now, what's your thoughts? Did you sell Bitcoin? Was the sell maybe unnecessary? If we look at this graph, banking systems above 250, the gold industry just below 250, and Bitcoin just over 100. Now, was that tweet necessary? Did Elon Musk have his facts straight? But moving on. Week of sideways trading ahead as Bitcoin newbies panic sell to Hodlers. Yes, we've seen a lot of panic selling going on because people are uncertain of what's happening and what to do. They saw the market dropped and everyone just let it go. So yes, what are you doing? Did you sell? Let's see. Bitcoiners are hopeful that Bitcoin will bounce back stronger following its recent Elon Musk fueled price setback. But the likes of Galaxy Digital CEO Michael Novogratz say that choppy waters could be ahead for at least the next few weeks as new entrants are panic selling. BTC had a turbulent month after months of steady growth and dropped into the mid to low USD 40,000s on most exchanges over the weekend. The token is currently making a slow and unsteady recovery. Well, I agree, it's going to be an unsteady recovery because the newcomers is filled with uncertainty. Many have blamed mass liquidations in the derivatives market for the price drops, with some seemingly newer investors deciding to cut their losses after Tesla announced it would stop accepting Bitcoin, citing mining-related environmental concerns as its reasons. While in the previous article we just read, it seems like Tesla didn't have their facts straight. Musk has also denied claims Tesla had liquidated the remainder of its $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin purchase from earlier this year. Now that's true. I've seen the tweet from Musk where he's saying, just to clarify everything, we didn't sell our Bitcoin. Only the little bit they sold to prove liquidity. In an interview with Bloomberg, stated that the $40,000 to $50,000 price range was currently fair and added the defense of Bitcoin mining. I'm happy with a $40,000 to $50,000 range. It's an easy and comfortable trading range for me. MicroStrategy, another big firm, in the news again. Another dip, another 10 million Bitcoin buy. The listed firm now holds 92,079 Bitcoin, bought for a total of $2.251 billion. While everyone is selling, the big guns are buying. Now, who's going to buy Bitcoin at these high prices if they don't see a future in it? Publicly traded business intelligence firm MicroStrategy is making the most of the downturn in Bitcoin. 2.68% down, and they went on and they bought another 229 Bitcoin for 10 million in cash. Disclosed by CEO Michael Saylor on Twitter and in a SEC filing Tuesday, the firm bought the cryptocurrency at the average price of $43,663 per Bitcoin. The purchase means MicroStrategy now holds 92,079 Bitcoin, bought for a total of $2.251 billion at the average price of approximately $24,450 per Bitcoin. That means the firm has almost doubled its money since it started investing in the cryptocurrency, with the total holdings now being worth $4.15 billion according to CoinDesk price calculator. MicroStrategy, one of the biggest companies in the world, is holding on to Bitcoin and even buying more in this current situation and market. Doesn't that ring a bell? Doesn't that say something? Only 5 days ago, Saylor announced the purchase of 271 Bitcoin for 15 million. The company has a policy of regularly buying Bitcoin for its strategy reserves as a hedge against the US dollar inflation. At press time, a Bitcoin is worth 45,141, roughly flat over the last 24 hours. So, ladies and gents, in my opinion, these 3 articles are pretty interesting. What's your thoughts on it? Did you sell? Did you buy more? Or are you just holding? Please hit the like button for more videos. Have a great one.